We're trying out the Hard Candy Glitteratzi Palette. I thought it'd be a really good idea to try out, especially with the holidays coming up. Everything is really glittery and glitzy, and the colors are amazing. I started out with this reddish color and was amazed immediately. Look at that shine. It goes on pretty smoothly if you get the right amount. Next, we're testing the gold, which I know would be big now for Christmas. Again, fairly easy glide. And look at how that shines. We're gonna try out the green, which, hello, if that doesn't scream Christmas, I don't know what does. This one took a little bit of work to get on there, but it's probably because I didn't put a good amount, but it was still fairly smooth. Again, look at the shine. We're going to try the blue, which I think would be great either for Christmas or for New Year's. It's a great shine, you know, if you want to stand out with those in the eyes. I think blue is a big color nowadays. Pink is fun anytime, and if there's glitter, it's just crazy. As you saw, I couldn't help myself just digging in. This was my favorite swatch. Look how nicely it came out. The silver classic goes with any festive occasion. Took me a little bit to get this on the eyeshadow brush, but once I did, easy enough. That swatch came out smooth. Alright guys, here are all the colors in the palette. I think it's amazing. It's beautiful. Pretty good colors and shine. I added this effect just to be dramatic. But I love it. Cleaning up this glitter fabulousness was a breeze. All I used was one baby wipe and I got it pretty much all taken off. Thank you guys for watching. I really do appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know if you use this palette and what you